This is Batir Constructions Limited. We are here showcasing this beautiful project. With me is KES Fidelis Maiba here. He's going to give us more insight, give us knowledge, give us ideas, and educate us more about precast construction. So, KES Maiba,
Yeah.
where are we? What is the location of this project?
Okay, we are in Kajiado County, Ngong area.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So here we have this beautiful house.
Mm-hmm.
How many bedrooms and what features does it have?
Okay, this is the two-bedroom bungalow. The client ordered a bigger one. Normally, we usually do a smaller unit. This is a bigger unit because it has the master is ensuite. The other bedroom has a toilet, which is a cloakroom. You also have a laundry room, which is a room by itself. It's not the one which usually have it on the exterior as on a grilled space. So this is a room by itself, which is a laundry, and we have the sitting room area, and we have the kitchen. So for the dining, maybe it's not that big, so we can say we don't have a dining in this particular project. So the square area for this project is 78 square meter. Normally we work with 65 to 70, but this is around 78, so it is very spacious.
So now,
Yeah.
how did you begin this project
Okay.
with the client? Did you do the design? Did the client come with the design? Or how did you start? How did you kickstart this?
Okay, so our client saw one of our projects we had done. We had done actually two. One in Kiambu. We show you them the video, and the other one which we did in Kamulu. So they were similar units. So they wanted the same house. Even for the photos, it will be the same, but a bigger unit. So that's why we did the designs for them again. We extended the areas they wanted to extend, and we did the approvals at the county government of Kajiado, and now we are almost completing the project.
Okay.
Yes.
If someone may ask, are these approvals necessary?
The approvals are necessary because that's a requirement by the county government so that we can be able to get the construction permits. So approvals are very, very necessary before we do any construction project.
And how long do they take per se? For example, Kajiado, how long does it take to get the approval?
So for different counties, they are different. There's counties that do it online. The online process is slower. There are counties like Nairobi. We have counties like Murang'a, Nakuru. Those are online. They tend to be very slow in terms of approvals. But for a county like Kajiado, which is physical submission, the process may be a little bit faster. So close to 2 weeks, you have finished everything with the approvals. But for the online one, you can go more than a month. So it will depend with even the county and how they are managing their approval process. And you see now for Kajiado, they have different areas they are doing their approvals. Like Kiambu, they have done a lot of sub-counties. So approvals in Kiambu can take close to 3-4 days. So it depends with the county itself and the mode of the system that they are using, either online or they are doing physical.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So now we are in this house. What kind of foundation did you use? What type of soil or challenges did you come when you did your foundation?
So as you can see, we are having the normal red soil marram here in this part of Ngong. So we did do the mass excavation, which we do in cotton soil areas. So for this, we did the normal strip footings. We raised our levels. You can see our house is very high compared to the ground level. So we raised our levels because we don't want floods or any type of water surface runoff coming into our house. So we did the normal foundations backfilled with marram, and we did our slab on the floor bed.
Okay.
Yes.
So now the walling parts. Tell us more about walling.
The walling is the normal precast panels, 2.7 meters high. That's the standard we do for most of our projects. And yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So the windows, the designs, all came from Batir.
Usually share a catalog with the clients. So our clients here, we've given them a catalog. They choose what design they want. So after negotiating in terms of the design themselves, they give us their preferred design. Then that's what we do them. So we fabricate them in Kikuyu. Then they are transported here together with the precast panels during construction.
Okay.
Yes.
So now the next part is our roofing. We have the eaves, we have the gutters, and we have our roof.
Yes.
Tell us more about it.
Okay, so we are having the normal box profile. gauge 30 mabati. That's the type of roofing sheets that we have for this standard house. You can go with the versatile one, but the cost will be a little bit more. So a rough estimate for a 2 bedroom, it could go close to around 130 to 170,000 difference from the box if you're moving to the versatile. And in terms, because the versatile will need more timber, because the spacing we have for the box is different from the versatile. And in terms of the versatile itself is a gauge 28 mabati, and it's much more heavier, more costly. That's why you'll have that difference. So most clients see it as a big cost to add. So we still usually go with the normal box profile. For the eaves, we are doing the normal ones. The standard for our standard house is the light gauge eaves. That's what we do. They come with different patterns. There's this brown one. We have the light gray. We have the any color you want. We have them. So you just buy the light gauge. We have them as the eaves. They are plastic, so it will not be affected by moisture or water. So the plastics they last longer and more beautiful.
And for the gutter, we see this beautiful gutter.
Yes. It's the UPVC gutter that we have. And you see that it's decorative, it's very beautiful.
It complements the fashion.
Yes, it complements, especially the white color and the gray background. So it pops out very well compared to people who have different color walls. So this comes out very well, but it's up to the client's choice in terms of the colors.
Okay.
Yes.
So for our exterior, what kind of finish did we do? Paint? Master?
Okay, so for the exterior, we have done the normal paint. We did the skimming, then we did the undercoat, then we did the paint. That's the finish that we have for this house. This is a standard house. So for a more high-end house, we would have gone with a wall master option, which is close to 3 times the cost of the normal one. So depending on your budget, we can do wall master, but now the cost of your project goes a little bit high. Yes.
Okay, so this is our entrance.
Yes.
We see of the tiles.
Yes.
Size, height.
Okay, so normally this is the normal 300 by 300 tiles that we have for the back porch and the front porch, because a step is 300. You can see the step is 300. We cannot do a longer type of tile. So for this part, we'll do the normal 30 by 30 tiles, then by 300. It's Toyford tile. That's the standard that we have as Toyford. So we have gone with that.
But if it would have been longer, the stairs will be somewhere there.
Yes.
Verify and they will know.
Yes, but this is our driveway, so we had to maintain the length for the car to fit. So the perimeter wall is there, so we don't want to reduce the space.
Okay.
Yes.
So now take us through the house. I'm excited to see how the house is.
Yeah, so these are the steel doors. We have already casted them. We have said they come from us. So we do them to ensure that the quality of this door does not change. Does not change from the standard one.
Wow.
Yes. Yeah, so this is the living room. You can see, you can have your chairs spanning from that side, coming all this way, and now this is where now the TV unit will be. So you see, having that part as the sitting room, it's very good. Yes.
And for ceiling?
The ceiling, you have done the normal standard ceiling, the one level gypsum ceiling. The one level means we don't have the snake lights, the second level. So this is what we do. Then we complement with the downlighters. You can see the downlighters are here, and we have a normal ceiling light that is there. Yes.
The living room is very spacious.
Yeah.
And for a 2-bedroom,
yes,
it
it is very spacious. And for the tiles, we have done the normal 40 by 40. This is from Toyford also. The standard is Toyford. So that's what we have. This is the standard pattern for the standard size of the tiles. Yes.
So we go to our kitchen.
We have not, the doors are remaining. We are currently on the last phase of our project where we do the cabinets and the wardrobes and the doors. So that's what we are currently working on. Then we finish up on it. Yes.
I remember you have said this house is standard. Someone might ask, what type of talking did you use? And this is a standard home.
Okay, so for the client, they requested for us to change. So normally a standard one, we usually do the normal ceramic tiles, the 120 by 60 or the 60 by 60, but this is granite. So they wanted a different change. They added the costs from the normal one. So we went with the black galaxy. Oh, nene.
So in short, if you have a standard house, standard finished house, there are some elements that you can change.
Yes, everything you can change. Even if you want the ceiling to be the normal snake light, we can change that. If you want us to change this, we can change this. There are some clients like the one which we are starting in Vihiga. They don't want these cabinets to be to be stone, so we are doing timber. So the cost will just change. We share with you the variation. If it's okay with you, we can be able to achieve anything.
So we can have a standard house with some elements of height.
Yes, 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 yes.
And then
Yeah.
the kitchen is very spacious.
The kitchen
and it
is spacious.
closed.
Yes, yes, yes. They were going with that. The options of the two houses we have said. So they are closed kitchen also. We are going to do the cabinets here. Here we are going to have the cooker unit here, and the fridge can be. We have this space for the fridge here.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Yes,
I can
yes.
see a door here.
This is the back porch. We don't normally for our back porches we usually do an laundry, but now we don't have that because we have a separate laundry room. So it's a sizable one that you can just put your own things here, then you continue
Can
the
you
works.
arrange your shoes for
Yes.
the cleaning?
Yes, that's why we didn't
Wow.
have to grill it because it does not have a washing machine.
Yes.
Yes, this is a good house for rental. If you want to do rentals, it's a very good and it is very spacious.
Yes.
So this is the first, the laundry room.
And
So
it is big.
the client ordered specifically a laundry space.
They were specific on this.
Yes, they were specific. They wanted a laundry space. That's why you can see we have already tiled it. So we are having the washing machine here. We have the socket already installed.
Yeah.
So everything is okay. Even the floor trap in case of any overflow. So we are good.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. The doors are the next items that we are coming to do.
Not those are the cabinets.
Yes, so this is the cloakroom. So it serves as the cloakroom and it serves as the bathroom to the bedroom that is not ensuite. So you can see we have our normal French here. Even for the sink is the normal French here. And for this one, we are doing the normal cold water system and we are having the Lorenzetti shower.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
And all the accessories have been done.
Yes, the accessories have been done and it's a good standard house.
So you go to the first room.
This is the first bedroom. This is not ensuite. That's why we are saying that the other one acts as a cloakroom and the you can see the amount of light. The client went with the clear.
Is big.
Yes, they went to the clear glass so you can see the amount of light coming in. This is good. Good light. So when you have your shears, you have a lot of light coming in into this place. Yes, so the cabinetry space will be here. So next time when they see this video, they'll see us doing the cabinets. So the cabinets will be here. Your bed is here. You can have your lightings here. Your sockets you have already done them. The standard one, the white in color. So that's what we are having. And so this is the final room. This is the master bedroom. Yes, that side could fit two beds, but this one is just for the master because we had to find space for this. So for the cabinetry, we are having the cabinetry here. You can see the amount of light. The amount of light is good, and the standard sockets we are going with the white ones. If you are going high end, you can go with the normal. We have the black ones. We have the gold ones. So depending on your budget, we can be able to change even this for you if you want them. Even for the bedroom, you see we have the secondary lights. These are the downlighters. If you don't want a lot of light from the main light, you can use the downlighters during the night. Yes. If you are not
anything more that you can use outside crust for my two friends in the
yes,
architrave.
this is the cypress frames with the architraves. If you are going more high end, you can go with the mahogany ones. Even the architraves, we have mahogany. It depends with you.
Depends on the budget.
Entirely for the budget because it's a rental home and now people will be coming to, there's somebody who will be living here. This is not the client's place. done it as a rental unit. So that's why we were going with the standard finishes. Yes, yes, yes. Very, very big. You can even stand here, stand here. You can see the bathroom is good. You're having the separate shower space here, and we are having the French toilets here, and we are having the sink there. It's a very big space, and you can see we are going with the normal silver color because this lasts longer. The black one, the gray one, and the black one, gold, they tend to fade off after some time. They peel. Yes, black space peels off. So silver will maintain its integrity for a lot of time. A long time. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, so we want to show them the fence because yes, our client gave us the job. Even we are even adding additional works. We can show them some of the additional works we have in this project. Normally, yeah, we can begin with the fence. So this is the precast boundary wall that we are doing. This now additional works. When we give you a quotation, we usually work on the house only. So any other thing that is outside the house, we term it as additional works. So this we are fencing this area, and we still have another wing that is going to that side. So this is a precast fence that we are having. Very beautiful. For us, we usually do the foundation for our fence. You can see we have the foundation. Then we do 4 precast panels, and this is how we leave it as the finish. So if you want to do painting and other types of finish, you can do them later on. But now with this, it is more secure, beautiful, and well done. So another thing that we added as an additional work, we are having the water tower. Yes, this is it has already been finished, so we want to concrete it so that we can be able to have our tank here. So our client went to the 3,000 liter water tank. That's so it's not that big like the normal one which we do the 5,000. So this is what we have for this project. It's as per the client's choice, and we are going to cast it from here. So this is an additional work. It is not part of the house costs. Yes, and finally, we are having a biodigester here. So this is where we have our biodigester. This is the last manhole. It is the grease trap. The other ones will come to be done. So this is where the manhole, the biodigester. We have already done it. It is complete. It is operational. So we are just waiting for like a week or two. We finish with the cabinetries. Now the tenant may come in. Yes. And see, they have a space. You can even add another unit. Yes, that's why we pushed this on the edge. So later on, we can maybe do another unit here when the client has recuperated his cash.
Once he has seen how this is doing.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. So this is what we have for this particular project in Gong, and yeah, almost completion. A few days, then we hand over the project.
Okay.
Yes.
So now it means if I have a plot somewhere, a 50 by 100, a 40 by 80.
Yes, yes.
And I have some cash.
Yes.
I can do these 2 or 3.
Yes.
And know it will. If the house is very spacious.
Yes, yes.
I know
yes,
it's
yes.
going to fetch a lot. Being in Ngong, I know most people
And it's a non-compound. This is we have fenced it. Yeah.
Most people will be asking where this house
They
is.
call us. We'll connect them with the client when he's ready to know the prices. So currently, maybe they are doing the market study. So they'll be able to know the actual prices. But before we finish, we'll give them the price.
So if you're interested in renting this beautiful home, or you want to construct such home for it to be your business, you'll be getting that rent monthly. This is one of the beautiful designs that you can choose, and you can approach Batir Constructions Limited to give you this on your own plot. Thank you so much for watching. Continue watching for this and many more, and let's wait for the finished product of this house. We appreciate its beauty. Thank you.
Thank you very much.